Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change device name on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we have to go to the bottom until we find the about phone option, this one. And after that we can click on this edit. So this is my device name and I'm going to change it. We can click on edit, then here you can edit your phone's name. For example, I'm going to name it Samsung like this, and after you are done you can click on done right here. And this is the description. This name will be shown on other devices when your phone is available to connect using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct, and other methods. Then you just need to click on done, and now as you can see that the device name has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change a device name on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.